Hello, my ABT students. This is the last part 5 on your advanced tables, and we're going to learn how to put spreadsheets into Word. So first of all, let's go and open up a document. So we will open up, go to Browse, and now go to your Classes Drive. So get your Classes Drive, and then go to ABT, and go to Teaching Documents and open up the one called Revenue. Alright, so first you see the date needs to be fixed, so let's fix that right now. Go to Insert, Date and Time, and choose the third date and say OK. Alright, let's save it. So we want to go File, Save As, go to Browse, go to your folder. There's my name, ABT, and go to Advanced Tables, and we want to click in the File Name box, press Home, type your name and the current date for you. Alright, and save it. Alright, the next thing, this memo has a 2-inch top margin by the looks of things. Look at the big paragraph spacing on it. Let's get rid of that. So go to Home and go to Paragraph, and it's got 72 points above. We don't want that. Put in 0 points. Okay, 0 points, and leave the rest as is fine. Say OK. Alright, that's better. So let's go here now, put on our no spacing, and we want to put a table in. So go to Insert, Table, 2 columns and 2 rows. Alright, so drag this bottom one down, to about here. That's good. And then drag this one down to about here. Hold on. There. Alright, so now what we want to do is we're going to merge this because I only want to put one spreadsheet up here. So I want to merge cells. So we're going to put a spreadsheet here, one spreadsheet here, and one spreadsheet here. Alright, so now let's go to Excel because we need to save these in our folder. So we're going to go to File, Open, go to Browse, and we're going to go to find your Classes folder. And once you're in your Classes folder, go to ABT, go to Teaching Documents, and now let's take all 3. So click once on Rev 17, hold down your Control key, click on Rev 18 and Rev Comp. Alright, and now let's open them. So what we want to do, right now we're on Rev 18, so that's okay. So we want to go File, Save As, and now go to Browse, and you want to go to your folder. So go to your folder, go to ABT, go to Advanced Tables, click in the File Name box, press Home, type your name, the current date, and save it. Alright, and now let's go to, that was Rev 17, let's go to Rev 18, and, hold on here. Pardon me, we did Rev 18. I got to go to Rev 17. Alright, Rev 17, I want to go File, Save As, and I want to go to Browse, and I want to go to my name, ABT, Advanced Tables, and press Home and type in your name and the current date. Alright, save it. And we got one more to do, so go down here, go to Rev Comp, and we want to save this one. So go File, Save As, go to Browse, and we want to go to your name, ABT, Advanced Tables, and click in the File Name box, press Home, type in your name and the current date. Alright, save it. That's good. Okay, so let's go back now, and I want to pick up Rev Comp. So go to Rev Comp. Now click in cell A1, hold down the Shift key, and click in cell E8. Now go Control C, and you can see the marching green ants. Alright, go back to Word, and click in this first cell. And now we need to go to home, and this is different. You have to go to paste, and you have to go to paste special. And you want a Microsoft Excel worksheet object, not formatted text, not a bitmap, not a picture. You want Microsoft Excel worksheet object and paste only. Say OK. All right, that's good. Now let's go Control S to save just so we don't forget. And let's go to the blank cell here. We'll go back to Excel. Let's go get Rev 17. So click on cell A1, hold down the Shift key and click in C8. Once again, go Control C. All right, now go back to Word. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to paste this. And when we paste the spreadsheet, it's called embedding an object. We're embedding. So click on the drop down for paste. Go to paste special. Then you want Microsoft Excel worksheet object paste only. And say OK. And there we did another one. All right, this time we're going to link a spreadsheet. All right, we're going to link a spreadsheet. So we're going to go back to Excel, and we're going to go to RevComp 18. All right, click in cell A1, hold down the Shift key, and click in cell B8. Once again, go Control C, and go back to Word. Now, this time, you're going to go to Paste, and still Paste Special. And you still want a Microsoft Excel worksheet object, but you are going to paste a link. Okay, paste a link. Now say OK. They look the same, okay, but they aren't the same. And I want to show you something here. If I double click on this table, I go into edit mode. And how do you know I'm in edit mode? Because you can see the hatched lines. All right. Now, if I change this value and I put in 6.5, okay, and I press enter, this updates what it should. I'll click outside. Now, it only changed in Word. If you go back to Excel, you will see here on Rev 17 that it did not change. It's 3.5, and that's because it's embedded. It only changes in Word. Now watch. We're going to double click on this one, okay? And when I double click, how come it didn't go back? Okay, let's check it again. It should have went back. I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to press delete here. And I'm going to try it again. I'm going to go to Excel. Maybe I didn't do something. Go to 18. Okay, I want to select it. Go Control C. And now I want to go back to Word. I want to go here. And I want to go to Paste. Paste Special, and I want an Excel worksheet object, paste the link, and say OK. All right, so now before I go any further, I'm going to save this, and now I'll try one more time. There, that's what it should have done. It should always go back to the original. So can't tell you why it didn't, but now we're there. All right, so now I'm going to change, and now when I change it, I am changing the original. So if I change this, I'd be changing the original, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to put a border on here. So hold down your Shift, you're in cell A1, hold down your Shift key and click in B8. Okay, now right click, go to Format Cells, and we want to go to Border and choose a thick line. And let's choose a color, it doesn't matter, I'm going to choose purple, and put the outline on so that, well, you didn't get purple. Okay, hold on, put on outline, so I have purple. All right, say OK. Now, click off for a second, Go Control S to save, and now come back to Word. And it looks exactly the same, right? So we could do one of two things. We can right click or we can press function key F9. If I right click and I say update the link, that's the same as me pressing F9. And you've already learned F9. All right, so very nicely you saw the border. So I changed the original. Here on the embedded one, I only changed it in Word. And that's how easy it is to work with spreadsheets. So you can bring them in. Now, here in this cell, I want to go to Layout and choose Center Center so that I got this centered. And I'll do, actually I should have done both, the whole thing. Let's go Center Center. All right, so they're all centered. Now I'm going to take the lines out. I want to go to Home, and I want to go to Borders and Shading, and I want to say None. Now, you can see my grid lines, okay? You can see my grid lines, but I have no lines in there. I'm going to pull this in a little bit here, and I'm going to pull this in a little bit here. All right, and now if I go to File, Print, you will see that I have no lines, and I put the 3 tables in there. I could have put a little more space in between here, but other than that, it's good. So I'll grab this, drag it down a bit, just so you can see it there, and I'll drag this one down a bit here. And this one didn't move. Hold on here. Go Layout and try Center Center again. There we go. All right, so now we've got it looking good. All right, save it. And that's how easy it is, and we'll stop there.